All new for Meetings by Mail, Clinical Competence in Breast Imaging, Interventions and Management. Featuring 50 comprehensive multimodality cases worth 25 AMA PRA Category 1 credits, this activity fulfills MQSA CME requirements. All cases begin with clinical information and a set of zoomable images. A diagnosis or treatment question follows. After submitting your answer, review the expert findings and more detailed images. Engage in deeper discussion and analysis with additional references provided for further study. The immersive case review experience is supplemented by 3 insightful lectures by critically acclaimed faculty. The full program provides a complete tutorial in diagnostic strategies and interventional considerations encountered in the modern breast imaging practice. The cases allow the participant to explore a wide range of benign and malignant disease and also expound on the many challenges provided beyond the diagnosis, with optimal approaches for management discussed throughout. Case review topics include breast cancer screening, digital mammography, MR and ultrasound interpretations, tomosynthesis applications, multimodal interventions, core needle biopsy, BI-RADS, high-risk lesions, invasive malignancies, and much more. Multi-layered cases discuss interventional strategies and management options beyond the initial diagnosis. Meet your MQSA CME requirements with a complete tutorial from Clinical Competence in Breast Imaging, Interventions and Management. Available now at meetingsbymail.com.